Synergy gets to help what we consider to be the heartbeat of the economy, which is small to mid-sized manufacturing. We provide solutions and services that allow customers to overcome today's challenges, obstacles, and really improve their business today and tomorrow. For our new customers, we work with them to evaluate their current business needs, what their goals and objectives are, and really assess how we can help. We then find the right size, the right fit product, which might be ERP, or it might be something that helps with machine metrics on the shop floor. And then for our existing customers, we foster a long-term partnership where we can provide value in several different ways.
We made the right decision working with Synergy kind of right off the initial process assessment. We knew that they were taking time to listen to our challenges, listen to our problems, come up with not just solutions for the short term, but solutions that were sustainable. I think one thing that differentiates Synergy from other consultants we'd had in the past was that they not only knew their software inside and out, they also understood manufacturing. We had this terminology and lingo in the manufacturing world. Synergy from the very beginning, understood what we were trying to do process-wise. And all the recommendations were based off of not just tying in with the software, but tying into our processes. We understood that Synergy was there not just for the short term, but they were there for the long term as well. And they were really a partner, in our success going forward.